Hi, my name is Justin and I'm with ExcelGainz. This video will show you how to password protect an Excel workbook or remove a password from an Excel workbook. It's very simple. Start off by hitting File, Save As, Browse. I'm going to save this to my desktop. I'm going to call it the ExcelGainz Password Protect. Make sure the file type is an Excel workbook, and then you're going to hit this drop down at the bottom for Tools. Hit General Options, the password to open. I'm going to make it 321 to open this workbook. Re-enter password to proceed. 321, okay. Hit Enter. And I'm going to X this out. Now when I go to open this workbook, give it a second here. And there it is. To open this up, I'm going to need to hit 321. Now just say I wanted to remove this password. You're going to hit File, then hit Info, and hit this drop down at Protect Workbook, and hit Encrypt with a password. And all you need to do is delete the password and make sure that this is blank, and hit OK. Save it out, and a password is no longer required to open this up. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.